The Surya Laser Weapon is, well, a next-generation high-power directed energy weapon system developed by India's Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO for short. Surya is a 300-kilowatt class directed energy weapon designed for neutralizing a range of airborne targets, including drones, missiles, and potentially even satellites in low Earth orbit. It aims to provide the Indian Armed Forces with a sophisticated, rapid-response defense system that operates at the speed of light, fundamentally changing how modern threats are countered. Key features. First, high power output. The 300-kilowatt laser is among the most powerful in its class globally. It rivals elite systems being developed in the United States, China, Russia, and Israel. Thermal destruction. The laser delivers concentrated energy, destroying or disabling targets by heating them to destructive temperatures almost instantly. Second, extended operational range. Surya can engage threats up to 20 kilometers away, allowing interception of incoming missiles, drones, or aircraft before they reach critical assets. Third, target capabilities. Surya can handle a wide threat spectrum, being effective against unmanned aerial vehicles, rocket-propelled munitions, artillery shells, cruise missiles, and even drone swarms. Instantaneous engagement. Surya delivers nearly unlimited ammunition as long as a power source is available, unlike traditional missile systems that rely on finite stockpiles. Fourth, pinpoint accuracy and minimal collateral damage. Laser weapons are highly selective, targeting only the intended object with minimal risk to surrounding structures or personnel. Minimal maintenance. With fewer moving parts and no expended ammunition, logistics are simplified and maintenance hassles are reduced. Fifth, mobility, integration, and future potential. Surya is being designed for flexible deployment, including mounting on ground vehicles, ships, and potentially even aerial and space-based platforms in the future. Cost efficiency. Each firing mainly consumes electrical energy rather than high-value ammunition stocks, leading to lower operational costs per shot compared to conventional explosive munitions. Technological and strategic significance. Surya's development positions India in an exclusive group of nations with high-energy directed energy weapon programs. The weapon provides numerous advantages in modern warfare, defending against emerging threats, particularly potent against the rapid proliferation of drones and hypersonic missiles. Technological leap advances India's indigenous research in photonics, power supply management, and thermal control, key for scaling future weapons towards the megawatt class. Limitations and challenges. Despite its strengths, Surya also faces challenges. High energy requirements needs substantial mobile power supplies. Sensitivity to weather, rain, dust, fog, and atmospheric turbulence can degrade beam quality and range. Engineering complexity. Managing heat dissipation and system cooling at 300 kilowatt output is non-trivial. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.